Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coconut kefir. Start by selecting high-quality coconut milk, ideally 100% pure with no added ingredients. You will also need a reliable kefir starter, either a fresh packet or some active kefir from a previous batch. Make sure your equipment, like a clean glass jar and a breathable cloth, is ready for the fermentation process. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade kefir. Now, carefully pour your coconut milk into the clean glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. Add your kefir starter and stir it in gently until fully incorporated. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 days. After about 24 hours, check your kefir. It should have thickened slightly and developed a pleasant, tangy smell. You might even see tiny bubbles on the surface, which is a great sign of active fermentation. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Once it reaches your desired consistency, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. Your delicious homemade coconut kefir is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it plain, add it to your morning smoothie for a probiotic boost, or even use it in recipes. Remember to save about 2 tablespoons of this fresh batch to use as a starter for your next one. This allows you to keep a continuous supply of this wonderful, gut-friendly beverage going with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.